Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete your Pandabuy account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So this is how the homepage looks like. So firstly, once you're here, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you wanna go to your account settings, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Under it, you're going to find User Center, Order, Warehouse, Pre-sale, Wallet, and lastly, Logout. Click on User Center, and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Account, and right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account. As you can see, guys, right here in this guide, PandaSuite will show you all of the steps in order to delete your account. So you can delete your account at any time. If you want to simply downgrade your paid plan, we recommend switching to the free plan instead of to keep your data. If you have a paid plan, you'll need to cancel your subscription before you can delete your account. We also recommend downloading your invoices before canceling, so you have a copy of these for accounting purposes. You can also transfer your project to another account. If for any reason you're unhappy with PandaSuite, please let us know, and so on. So right here, the steps in order to delete your account. The first step is to go to your dashboard. So if you come to this guide, just click on this link and it will take you to the dashboard. We're going to go back to read the other steps. The second step is in the top left menu, select the account section. So as you can see, guys, this is the dashboard. And go ahead and in the top left menu, click on account, and then you're going to be right here in the account management. Go to general and scroll down to danger zone. So once you're here, as you can see, guys, right here in the left side, you need to click on danger zone. It's going to be the last in this list. Once you click on danger zone, as you can see, guys, in this picture, this is how it looks like. So go ahead and click on delete account button and then type delete to confirm. Before you delete account, you're going to find right here a message saying if you want to delete your Panda account and break our hearts, go ahead and click on delete account and then type delete. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.